Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye to this truck. We bought this truck in 2007 with Chris. And Zachary is 2 years old. Zachary! Zachary, you want to say bye-bye to the truck? Huh? What do you want? Anyway, I love this truck. And we had a lot of good time. Chrissy and I bought this and for our first trip to Tampa, Florida. I really love this truck, but I'm going to sell it. I already sold this car. I'm just waiting for the person to go, hey Zachary! Look at that car. Look at that car. So cool, right?